Today, we're stepping into the world of Virgo, the perfectionist, the healer, and the deep thinker of the zodiac. Virgo men and women are thoughtful, practical, and surprisingly romantic once you win their trust. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of how to truly attract a Virgo and capture their heart in a way that lasts. The rule to bear in mind is, don't overpower. Underplay. Always try to be a good sport. If that drink you're invited for turns out to be at a health food store and consists of carrot and cucumber juice, smile and gulp it. Virgos are finicky eaters and careful about their health. With them, the laws of tie and rate just behind the 10 commandments. In addition to the old standby of discussing work. Connected topics, another good conversational subject is pets. Virgos like the smaller variety, especially the exotic kind. Quickly establish your cultural credentials. Virgos are drawn to people whose intelligence or learning is superior to their own. Don't probe too closely into their personal affairs. They guard their private life. Avoid noisy places or entertain that is vulgar or offensive. Virgos pride themselves on their good taste. Don't let Virgos worrying upset you. People born under this sign are natural warriors. Will they be on time for the show? Will they catch the plane? Will it rain or snow? Will the mail arrive? The list of their worries is endless. It's no use pointing out that most of the things they worry about never actually happen. They'll go right on worrying anyway. It's their way of coping with what might go wrong. Both male and female Virgos appreciate gifts that are useful and practical. They are also great hobbyists and are sure to have at least one special interest. Very few special occasions with Virgo will occur on the spur of the moment, at least not if Virgo can help it. There will be careful planning, all the moves will be figured out in advance. Virgo is marvelous at working behind the scenes to accomplish this. All you have to do is relax and enjoy it, and that's how you can win the heart of Virgo, with patience, sincerity, and a touch of devotion. Sparkling heart Virgos value authenticity, and when they feel truly seen, their love is pure and lasting. Tell us in the comments, are you trying to attract a Virgo, or do you already have one in your life? Don't forget to subscribe, because in our next video we'll dive into the secrets of the next zodiac sign in love.